Why trekking to Manaslu is a must-do adventure. Have you ever imagined embarking on a journey so mesmerizing that it leaves an indelible mark on your soul? Trekking to Manaslu Circuit is one such extraordinary adventure that beckons with the promise of pristine natural beauty, rich cultural encounters, and unforgettable memories. Tucked away from the bustling trails of more famous treks, Manaslu offers an authentic experience that speaks directly to the heart of any true explorer. The allure of the Manaslu trek lies in its untouched landscapes and the sheer variety of vistas it presents. From lush forests teeming with diverse flora to high-altitude deserts that stretch beyond the horizon, every step on this trail is a new discovery. The journey not only tests your physical limits, but also offers a spiritual voyage into the serenity of nature. Breathtaking sights and majestic landscapes. Imagine standing amidst towering peaks, with the world below seeming a distant dream. The Manaslu Circuit trek unfolds like a panoramic canvas of nature's best artwork, with Mount Manaslu itself standing as a sentinel to the beauty that surrounds it. The sight of this 8th highest peak in the world, reaching skywards, is both humbling and exhilarating. The trek takes you through vibrant rhododendron forests, across ancient glaciers, and into the heart of the Himalayas. Each day presents a new landscape, each more breathtaking than the last. The diversity of the terrain offers a vivid testament to the planet's beauty, from verdant valleys to barren lunar landscapes that captivate the imagination. But Manaslu's magic isn't confined to its natural beauty alone. The trail winds through remote villages where life moves at a different pace. Here, you'll encounter the warmth of the Himalayan people, whose traditions and ways of life have remained unchanged for centuries. The Manaslu region is home to a mosaic of ethnic groups, including the Nubri and Sulm, whose unique cultures and traditions provide a fascinating glimpse into Nepal's rich cultural heritage. Engaging with the local communities offers an immersive experience that transcends typical tourist encounters. From sharing meals to participating in local festivals, every interaction is an opportunity to connect and learn. These moments of cultural exchange enrich the trekking experience, offering insights into the resilience and spirit of the Himalayan people. Trekking to Manaslu is as much about inner exploration as it is about external adventure. The journey challenges you, pushing you to confront your own limits and discover your strength. Crossing the Lakialau Pass at an elevation of 5,106 meters is a testament to human endurance and willpower. The sense of accomplishment upon reaching the pass is unparalleled, offering panoramic views that stretch to the horizon. The Manaslu Circuit is not just a physical challenge, it's a path to personal growth. With each step, trekkers forge a deeper connection with nature, experiencing the profound peace that comes from being in the mountains. This trek is an invitation to slow down, reflect, and find joy in the simple act of walking through the world's most stunning landscapes.
So amazing! Very good, very good!
Trekking to Manaslu also plays a crucial role in sustainable tourism and conservation efforts in the region. The Manaslu Conservation Area is a sanctuary for diverse flora and fauna. By choosing Manaslu for your trekking adventure, you contribute to conservation initiatives and support local communities, helping preserve this magnificent region for future generations. Embarking on the Manaslu Circuit trek requires careful planning and preparation. The ideal times to trek the Manaslu Circuit are during the spring, March to May, and autumn, September to November seasons. These periods offer clear skies, moderate temperatures, and the best conditions for trekking. Spring brings the added bonus of rhododendron blooms, transforming the forests into a riot of colors, while autumn offers crystal clear mountain views. To trek in the Manaslu region, you'll need several permits, including the Manaslu Conservation Area Permit, the Annapurna Conservation Area Permit, and a Restricted Area Permit due to its proximity to the Tibetan border. Partnering with a registered trekking agency like Places Nepal is mandatory to obtain these permits, ensuring your journey adheres to local regulations and supports conservation efforts. Preparing physically and mentally. The Manaslu Circuit trek is considered challenging, with varied terrain and high-altitude passes. Physical preparation is key, including cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and hiking practice. Equally important is mental preparation, being ready for the challenges ahead, from navigating difficult paths to adapting to high altitudes, ensures a rewarding experience. Packing essentials and gear. Your packing list should include essential trekking gear, such as a sturdy pair of hiking boots, a sleeping bag rated for cold temperatures, and layers of clothing to adapt to the changing weather. Don't forget the importance of a good quality backpack, sun protection, and hydration solutions. Consider also bringing gifts or school supplies for local children, a meaningful way to give back to the communities you'll visit. Selecting a reputable trekking agency is crucial for a safe and enjoyable experience. A good agency will provide experienced guides familiar with the Manaslu Circuit, offer logistical support, and ensure you have the necessary permits. With thorough preparation and an open heart, trekking to Manaslu promises an adventure like no other. This journey offers more than just stunning landscapes and physical challenges. It's an opportunity to connect deeply with nature, experience the warmth of Nepalese hospitality, and discover your own resilience and strength. As you've set out on the Manaslu Circuit trek, remember that the journey is as important as the destination. Embrace each moment, from the quiet beauty of the mountains to the laughter shared with fellow trekkers and locals. This trek is not just a journey through the Himalayas. It's a voyage into the heart of what it means to be truly alive. So, are you ready to answer the call of the mountains and embark on the trek of a lifetime? Manaslu awaits, offering an adventure that will enrich your soul and leave you with memories to cherish forever. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button, it's free. Also, crush the like button so we can produce more videos like this.